Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome. My name is Aiden. I have a bonus video for you today because I just got this. I was out doing some grocery shopping, came back, and this was in the mailbox, and I thought, you know what? I'm going to, I just threw on some lipstick because I was wearing a mask out, so didn't have that on, but wanted to open it for you. So this is what it looks like. You do get this little guy now. The Walmart beauty box is $6.98, I believe, and it comes quarterly, so you get it every quarter. Let's see what we got in here. The first thing is from Listerine. This is Ready Tabs, and let's see if this is on here. Chewable fresh breath tablets transform from solid to liquid within seconds, helping fight bad breath for up to 4 hours anytime, anywhere. I wonder if you swallow them or if you spit them back out. That's kind of interesting. There are 8 in here, and it says that 24 is $5.97, so this is like $2 worth of them. It's kind of a cool idea. Instead of gum, you have those. Then we have from Cetaphil, this is the Extra Gentle Daily Scrub. So it just looks like it's a little face scrub. This retails for $7.94 for a full size, which is 6 ounces. This is a third of an ounce. This is a facial cleanser you can use every day for improved texture and a radiant, glowing complexion. So that's actually something I definitely will use. I think I probably will use the Listerine, or at least we'll give them a try. Then we have from Frieda, this is the Frizz Ease Dream Curls Conditioner for wavy and curly hair with rosehip oil. I'm probably going to pass this along because I don't have curly hair. I have very straight, very fine hair, and a lot of things that are for curls are just too heavy for my hair. Just weighs it down and makes it look not good. This retails for $6.97 for an 8.4 ounce, and this is a 2 ounce. This is a nice size, and I'm sure I have lots of friends who have curly hair. I'm very jealous of them, but they will get that and be able to enjoy it. Another one from Cetaphil. This is the second one. This is the Sheer Mineral Sunscreen, and it's $14.49 for 3 ounces. And this is, again, like a third of an ounce. And this is suitable for even the most sensitive skin. This lightweight formula protects and hydrates skin without clogging pores. Okay. It has a couple year expiration, 123, which is good because I don't wear a lot of sunscreen because I don't go outside very much or sit by windows very much. I'm almost like a vampire in that way. Not the last thing, there's one more thing in here. This is from Revlon. This is the Colorstay eyeliner. It says it retails for $7.99. This is just in black, so I will be putting this in my giveaway pass along pile because I don't use eyeliner. I have so many eyeliners that are just sitting there that need to be used. Then from Almay, I've been wondering about these lipsticks. This is Lip Vibes. It says it's $7.99 full size. This is a full size, obviously. And you know, this pays for the box right there. This is more than the box. The eyeliner was more than the box. I think this was a pretty good box this month. I wish there was a way that you could say if you want like the classic or if you want like the trendsetter. I know there's a couple of different versions of them. And let's see. Oh, that is a very orangey color. You know what? I do really want to try this formula, so I'm going to try it and I'll actually give it a wear. That is an interesting color for sure. I love the packaging though. Look at how cute it is with its little, it says Live Happy and has little toucans on it. Just really nice. So that's it for my Walmart beauty box, but I have a little bonus for you as well. I got this in the mail Friday, and I thought I'd just throw it in here because I don't want to put it in a haul, but I thought it'd be something interesting. This is from Influencer. If you don't know about Influencer, I'll have a link down below. You can join them and they'll send you things in exchange for like reviews on websites. Sometimes it's Instagram posts. It really depends. So this is from Mercier. It has Rose Glow Caviar eyeshadow stick. This is what the front looks like. So I have 3 products in this box. And look at the box. Like the box is so nice. They always do a nice job with them. So it looks like I have the Laura Mercier Caviar Volume Mascara. Trying to remember if I used this mascara or not, because this would make a nice gift. These you can't sell, you're supposed to like actually review. So I'm going to go look through my sample Saturdays from the past year, because this, I feel like I tried this one, and if I did, I am going to use that review for my review, just so that I'm not wasting products, because I do love this and I'm glad to get it, but if it's something that I've already tried and reviewed, I don't want to waste another one. And then there are 2 of these. These are the Caviar eye stick, and the shades colors are a strike a rose, so it's like strike a pose, and these say not for resale on them. And the other one is Bed of Roses. Takes a while to figure out which end is which and what they look like. So they're very pretty. They have that rose gold packaging. And this one is Strike a Rose. Oh, that's really pretty. I don't use a lot of eyeshadow sticks. I definitely will for these because they are a review. And then this is Bed of Roses. Oh, that's really pretty. But I wish they would have, like, if I had known that these were liquid or cream eyeshadow sticks, I probably would have said I wasn't as interested in them, but that's what it looks like. I think they're both really pretty colors. So yeah, that was, I just wanted to do a little bonus because I was excited to get this. I think I got the email either Thursday or Friday, and this showed up on Friday. So I was not expecting it. It came super duper fast. I'm very excited to review these and to do all of the activities on Influencer. I will have a link down below if you're interested. You don't have to have a YouTube channel. You don't have to have an Instagram. You just have to be willing to, like, it does help, but doing reviews on Influencer is supposed to help. I don't do as many as I should, but just doing as many activities as you can on Influencer does get you points for boxes. I've gotten all types of stuff. I've gotten Clinique moisturizers, which was awesome. I always love that. I got C. Passione. I got the full-size big old bottle, and I've gotten some Giorgio Armani lipsticks, just a whole bunch of different things over the years. And I'm always really excited to try things. I've gotten skincare. My last one, I think, and sometimes they do digital campaigns too, so keep an eye out for those if you haven't signed up. I hope you are all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by. Let me know if you get the Walmart Beauty Box, what your thoughts were on this month's box. Also, let me know like what you thought of my box. I hope you're having a fantastic day. I'll talk to you next time.